Jaguar's new all-electric I-Pace may be one of the brand's most significant breakthroughs. This is not just because the handsomely muscular all-wheel drive crossover can travel 240 miles on a single charge to its 90 kWh battery, or because it will cost a competitive $69,500 before federal and state incentives, or that it can accelerate from 0-60 in 4.5 seconds, about as quickly as Jaguar's V8 F-Type sports car. It is not even because it may be the first vehicle to feature a small front boot, which is a hideous British English term for the area known by the equally unappealing American neologism frunk. The I-Pace ranks high in the Jag insurrective pantheon because it is the first truly competitive all-electric vehicle from a major luxury manufacturer to hit the entirety of the American market since Tesla jump-started the contemporary, fancy, battery-powered vehicle campaign back in 2008. Sure, Mercedes, Porsche, Audi, BMW, and others have promised these vehicles, but as far as we know, they don't exist, and we haven't driven them. The best news about the big electric cat is that it's actually enjoyable on the road. Some of this is because of its intrinsic design benefits. The heavy battery pack, housed in the floor, contributes to a low center of gravity as well as ideal 50-50 front-rear mass balance. Both of these aid not only in the vehicle's road-holding capabilities, but in its style of holding the road. The gain. We spoke to Mike Hallmark, the marketing and sales manager for Hellwig Products, a 72-year-old company in Visalia, California specializing in load and sway control products. He brought the Rule Breaker camper to the Mountain Patrol event. Asked about the aftermarket support for the Titan, he said, "You're not gonna see as many products as the big three, or dare I say the Jeep JK, but aftermarket is driven off demand of customers. If there were 500,000 Nissan Titans on the road, I guarantee you almost every manufacturer would have something for it. Even so," he said, "there's been a good amount of product that's now available for it." The Rule Breaker build sheet lists 16 different aftermarket companies tapped for components. Nissan will need to maintain its intensity for a while yet, because the Titan and Armada are merely warning shots. Big, heavy full-size trucks aren't go-to options for hardcore outdoor crowd. Nissan wouldn't discuss future product, but it was clear that the big draw for deep woods wanderers will be a new frontier. If Nissan delivers a small truck with modern technology, maintains the price, value and lengthy warranty, and showers the frontier, or whatever it will be called, with years of attention and accessory love, that will mark genuine courtship of jilted Pathfinder and Astra lovers. Until then, concepts like the Titan Project Base Camp and Armada Mountain Patrol are more than capable of holding the high ground.